Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Fairfield by Marriott Fort Walton Beach-Eglin AFB. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. This hotel has non-smoking rooms with free Wi-Fi, a hot tub and a complimentary breakfast that includes egg and ham. Guest laundry facilities are available. Florida's Gulfarium is 5.5 miles away. Fairfield Inn & Suites Fort Walton Beach's rooms have deluxe bedding which includes custom comforters and fluffy pillows. Each one has basic self-catering facilities such as microwave and fridge. Local newspapers as well as free coffee are provided for guests in the lobby. Guests can also enjoy a casual outdoor dinner using the barbecue facility. Santa Rosa Mall is 7 miles from Fairfield Inn & Suites Fort Walton Beach. Indian Temple Mound Museum is a 10-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.